Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to calculate percentage in a Power BI. I'll give you a simple example. Now, this is our table right here, and we have date and gross sales. Let's say we want to do a benchmark of whether or not we're meeting our sales targets each day. We'll set the target at 4,000, and what we'll do, we'll come here, click on modeling, okay? And we'll create a new measure. So click on new measure. And first we need to name this measure, of course. So we are going to be using a DAX formula, as you can see. So we'll name this, let's say, benchmark percentage, okay? So I'll name it that, benchmark percentage. And what we'll do divide, okay? This is the function, divide. And let's go ahead and use sum. Okay, we'll use the sum function. We're gonna take the gross sales for each row right here, and we are going to go ahead and close this, and we'll divide it by, let's say, 4,000. That's our benchmark. And let's go ahead and close this, and let's run this measure. And make sure you change the format to percentage, by the way. But for now, let's go ahead and let this to be worked on. There we go. And now we can bring this in. Just go ahead and click here on the data. We're bringing this in. Now it is in decimal. Just change the format to percentage, for example. And let's go over and find something that has 4,000 in sales. So I'll scroll down right here. This one is about 4,000. As you can see, it's about 100%. And it's really that easy and simple.